Freshteam review, pricing, and software features. What is Freshteam? Freshteam is a cloud-based HR and applicant tracking solution offered by Freshworks. Its functions and features unify every aspect of HR work into one environment, thus simplifying whilst consolidating all relevant information and processes involved. Having the right kind of people in the workforce is critical for many reasons. Firstly, and most importantly, having a workforce that works, collaborates, and pushes for the same goals make it easier for businesses to thrive. If you've ever worked for the human resources department, then you'll know just how time-consuming and tedious the whole process of attracting, recruiting, onboarding is. Additionally, once you've got a team on board, there's the business of keeping track of everyone's records, managing employee information, and even ironing out everyone's time off. Freshteam makes all of that not just easier, but also more efficient and helps in boosting productivity. Applicant tracking system. Freshteam's applicant tracking system allows your HR team to create job listings, publish them in multiple employee sourcing platforms, and manage each posting's individual hiring workflow. Of course, not every position or job listing is the same. Freshteam helps your HR by making it easy to customize each posting with relevant interview questions to truly find the best candidate fit for the job. Onboarding and offboarding. With Freshteam, the whole process of onboarding new hires has become significantly smoother and easier. Get everything your new hire needs all squared away, even before their first day at work. Collaborate with each department to get every document signed and every requirement submitted seamlessly and efficiently. Freshteam takes care of all the minutiae so your new hire's first day can be better spent getting acquainted with your workforce and getting familiar with the office setup. From the other end of the spectrum, Freshteam also helps your HR team process and manage the entire offboarding process just as easily and seamlessly as you would when onboarding new hires. Employee information system. Manage your employees' information, such as roles and all pertinent details with just one tool, as Freshteam allows you create personal accounts for every individual in your workforce. Never miss a beat. With Freshteam, downtimes or delays due to personnel unavailability is a thing of the past. Keep on top of every HR situation with Freshteam's mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android. Never miss an update. Stay looped into every HR decision-making process. Check on all your hiring postings, easily access, and keep track of your hiring workflow and stages. Stay accessible and connected, even while you're not at your desk or away from the office premises. To find out more about Freshteam, you can sign up for free and start experiencing how valuable it is to have Freshteam at the helm of your HR needs. Get all the features under the enterprise plan for the first 21 days. Best of all, Freshteam grows with your business, as it is completely scalable depending on your HR needs. You can also request a demo to further help you in making an informed decision about which Freshteam price plan best fits your business. Thank you for watching. Click the link below to learn more about Freshteam. Please like, share, and subscribe.